cancer treatment is not easy treatment. And when you're talking about treating someone's skin, it can be quite unpleasant. So anything that we can do to make their experience better, we want to do for them. To deliver radiation to a tumor that's on the surface of the skin, we need to put a material on top of the skin so that the radiation dose can be adequately deposited to a surface tumor. To do that, we use a tissue equivalent material. And to do that, we had to take wet plaster bandages, get them to lie still, put these on, let them harden. So then we would take those plaster bandages, take them to our mold room area, mix up plaster of Paris, pour that in, let it dry, peel off the plaster bandages. A lot of time wasted for mostly the patient, and for the staff as well. But now we have the technology where we don't have to put patients through that, and I think that is the biggest advantage right now to 3D printing. It's just the improved patient experience.
Originally what drew me to engineering was I liked hands-on building, I liked problem solving, and I wanted to help people in my career. For me, the Bolus is incredibly impactful to my life because when I was 12 years old, my grandmother was diagnosed with brain cancer. She had to lie on a table, be covered in plaster, and she couldn't understand what was happening to her. You know, it was really hard on everybody around her, but if this were to happen today, PolyUnity would simply be able to take her CT scan or even just take a scan of her face and print this positive mold, and then that would be used to mold the bolus used on her face. She wouldn't have to sit there, she wouldn't have to have plaster all over her face. It would just eliminate all of the horrible pieces of this process, and I'm so glad we're able to do that for so many other families.
With the addition of 3D printing, we're now able to generate a product that is an exact duplicate of the patient. So then what we would do then is form a bolus material over this shape, and we can get a highly accurate bolus for that patient, for the site that we want to treat, and have a much higher degree that the radiation is going to do what it needs to do in these little curves and areas that are hard to get to.
I think as we grow and we get new technology and new talent, I really believe that the possibilities of PolyUnity working in healthcare are endless.
Really, I don't see any limits with how 3D printing can be used to help our patients. It's really limitless.